Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are grade 10 students or if you want to strengthen your mathematics basic, then you are in right place. In today's lesson, we are starting the chapter 1 factors. So by the end of this video, you will understand what the factors are, what the prime number and composite number. So first, let's start it with the factors. Factor is a number that divides another number exactly with no remainder. So let's look at the example. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Why? Because each of these numbers divide 12 evenly. Uh, Suppose 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So for 3 is a factor of 12 because it has a no remainder. That's why we can call the 3 as a factor of 12. And 12 divided by 5 is equal to 2.4. So this is a not a whole number. So 5 is a not a factor of 12. So only remember, if a number divides exactly with no remainder, then it's called a factor. Now move forward to a second topic. It's a prime number. So now let's learn about the prime numbers. So prime number have exactly two factors. First, 1, and second, the number itself. So here is a sum of examples of prime numbers. So the example of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. So let's look at 13. The factors are 13s of 1 and 30. Since it has exactly two factors, 1 and 13, so 13 is a prime number. Now, the next topic, composite number. Okay, so what is the composite number? In composite number, it has a more than two factors, exactly opposite to a prime number. Prime number has only two factors, and composite has more than two factors. More than two factors. Now, let's look at an example. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and 12 all are composite numbers. So let's take 10. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Since there are more than two factors, 10 is a composite number. So 10 have more than two factors, right? 10 has a four factors, so we can call it's of a composite number. Now let's look at some quick practice questions. Okay, so let's answer these questions and solve. So first, find the factors of 24. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 12. Because if a number divides exactly with no remainder, it's called a factor, and these all are factors of 24. Now the second, is the 19 a prime number? Yes, 19 is a prime number. Why? Because it has only two factors, 1 and 19. Now next questions, is 21 prime or composite? So yeah, 21 has more than two factors, 1, 3, 7, and 21. So since it has a more than two factors, so 21 is called a composite number. Okay, so now I hope this lesson helped you understand factors, prime number and composite number in a simple video. In next video, we will continue this chapter with more example and important question that will help you to prepare for quiz and exams. So please like and subscribe the channel to get the notifications. Thank you so much for the watching the video.